The Toyota C1201 code indicates a malfunction in the engine control system. This code specifically signals a loss of communication between two critical vehicle modules. The C1201 code occurs when communication is lost between the engine control module and the anti-lock brake system module. These two systems need to constantly share information for proper vehicle operation. The engine control module manages critical engine functions and communicates with various sensors throughout the vehicle. When this communication breaks down, the C1201 code is triggered. It's crucial to understand that C1201 is often a secondary code, not the root problem. Think of it as an informational code that signals something else is disrupting the communication between these critical systems. The C1201 code can be triggered by several common issues. Let's examine the most frequent root causes. Faulty sensors are among the most common causes. Mass airflow sensors and throttle position sensor malfunctions can disrupt the ECM's ability to communicate properly with other systems. Electrical system problems are another major cause. Corroded ground connections and damaged wiring harnesses can interrupt the communication pathways between modules, triggering the C1201 code. Other causes include ECM software glitches, battery voltage irregularities, and fuel system problems. Each of these can disrupt the normal communication flow between vehicle systems. In hybrid vehicles, like the Prius and Camry hybrid, C1201 occurrences have increased due to the complex interactions between the engine control system and battery management systems. The additional control modules create more opportunities for communication disruptions. Understanding the C1201 code is the first step in proper diagnosis. Remember, it signals a communication problem between the ECM and ABS modules, but the real issue lies in the underlying causes we've discussed. When facing a C1201 code, the key principle is never treat it as the primary problem. This code is typically a secondary indicator pointing to underlying issues in your Toyota's systems. Begin your diagnosis with a comprehensive scan using an OBD2 scanner. Look for additional diagnostic trouble codes that will point you toward the actual problem causing the C1201 communication error. Check your system voltage to ensure stability. The minimum acceptable voltage is 11.5 volts. Low voltage can disrupt communication between modules and trigger the C1201 code. Test the ground circuits of both the engine control module and ABS module. Poor ground connections are a common cause of communication failures between these systems. If you have access to an oscilloscope, check the CAN bus integrity. The CAN high and CAN low signals should show proper communication patterns between modules. Understanding repair success rates helps you make informed decisions. DIY repairs have a 45% success rate, while professional diagnosis achieves 87% success, and dealer service reaches 94% success. Remember, ignoring the C1201 code can lead to compromised braking and stability systems. Prompt and accurate diagnosis is essential for your safety and your vehicle's performance.